Here I've got V-Mobile S39 and let me show you how to activate developer options on the following device. So at first, let's open the settings, then scroll down to the very bottom of the list and click on About Phone. It's the last tab. Here you will notice build number, so simply click 7 times on it, just like that. 5, 6, 7. And as you can see, you are a developer now, so let me go back. And now just under printing, you will notice developer options. Tap on it to access all those options, and here you can come along with truly advanced features and tools. So for example, you can activate running services, stay awake, OEM unlocking or OTG connection, so it's all up to you. And then if you would like to switch off developer options so they are no longer active, simply click on this switcher, and as you can see, they are just no active. And let's go back, because that would be all. This is how you can activate and deactivate developer options in your V-Mobile S39. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.